Sometimes removing unwanted software from your computer can be very frustrating. So today let's have a look on how to completely remove unwanted software from your computer. Hi beautiful people, I'm Frederick from the Thelionics Creative Studio. So without wasting time, let's do it. So let's start by visiting the website where we're going to download the software needed to carry out our today's assignment. As you can see on the screen, this is the page, and the software is called Iobit Uninstaller. This software supports Windows 10, 8.1, Windows 8, Windows 7, even Windows Vista and Windows XP. The link to download the software is available right in the description below. So let's download the software. Click on free download. It's going to pop up another page. Click on download now. In a few seconds, the download is going to start. As you can see here, a file has been downloaded. As the software has been downloaded. I've already downloaded this before, so I'm going to delete one. Let's install the software. Double click on the software. If the software requested the administrator's permission, click yes. And should in case it shows a different language, you can select your corresponding language right here. In our case, we're going to leave it in English. We can click on install directly, or we can use custom install. But in this case, I'm going to click on install. Here, the Iobit Uninstaller is giving us an option to install additional software. But I'm going to click on skip this. As you can see that the installation has started. This might take few seconds, depending on the capacity of your computer. Iobit is giving us an option to subscribe to their newsletter, but in our case, I'm going to click on no thanks. Click finish. I'm going to minimize this. Now we have our software being installed. Just as you can see on the left side, we have a list of items. So let's check these items one after the other. We have programs, and under programs we have all these items. So after programs we have install monitor, we have the software updater. So it means that this software don't only allow you to uninstall a software or a program, but also give you an option to update your softwares. So we have toolbar and plugins, and we have the Windows app and the Action Center. But we're going to concentrate more on programs. So by the right side, you see that here there's a list of all the software that we have on this computer. As you can see, we have a list of software here. So to remove a program here, just check the box. So I'm looking for a software I can remove here. I'm going to remove the Power ISO. So check the box and click on uninstall. Or we can do it another way. You can only click on, just click on this icon here and give us the option to remove the software. Here we have the option to create a restore point before uninstall, but I'm going to leave it on check I'm going to check the automatically remove residual files, and I'm going to click on uninstall. It's deleting the leftover. As you can see, we've removed the software. Another way to remove a software here is by clicking on this tool icon here and force uninstall. If you have a software that's been giving you problem, you can force uninstall it here. You can either drag and drop the software into this section here, or click on browse to locate the software, then later click on uninstall. You can also use this app to uninstall some Windows pre-installed apps. So let's click on Windows apps. Here we have 51 pre-installed Windows apps. So for example, I'm going to remove all of this because I don't need them. After checking the box, click on uninstall. I'm going to click on uninstall. You can see that the program is being removed one after the other. So we have 3 out of 6. Now we have 4 out of 6. Removing the leftovers. So friends, this is gonna be all for this tutorial. So if this is your first time you're visiting this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos of this kind. And don't forget to hit that like button, and I'll see you some other time.